Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change view options in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the main interface where you can customize how everything is displayed. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all the tools and menus are located. This is your main toolbar area, and it contains various tabs that control different aspects of Outlook. From here, click on the View tab. This tab is specifically designed to help you customize how your emails and folders appear, making it easier to organize and navigate through your messages based on your personal preferences. After clicking on the View tab, the menu will open and display several options for customizing your Outlook experience. Look for the Current View section within this menu. You'll notice a Change View drop-down button right there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal all the available view options that Outlook offers. This is where you can completely transform how your inbox looks and how your emails are organized on the screen. From the list that appears, you'll see different view options including compact, single, and preview. Each of these views serves a different purpose and changes how your email content is displayed. The compact view shows more emails in a condensed format, which is great if you want to see as many messages as possible at once. The single view focuses on one email at a time, giving you a cleaner, less cluttered interface. The preview view shows you a preview pane alongside your email list, allowing you to quickly scan through messages without opening them fully. Simply choose whichever type of view you're most comfortable working with. The best part is, you can change this setting anytime you want by returning to this menu and selecting a different option from the list. So feel free to experiment until you find what works best for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully changed the view options in Outlook to better suit your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.